Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare instant Rava Paddu using ready-to-use instant Rava Idli mix from MTR. So I'm collaborating with MTR for this recipe, and they sent me a gift hamper with Rava Idli mix. This is ready to use. You can find it throughout the world. It's very simple to prepare. You can prepare Rava Idlis in a jiffy. And they sent me this cute little gift along with it. So I'm collaborating with MTR for World Idli Day. So idli is one of the most consumed products in India, and we thoroughly enjoy it. Now let's look into the ingredients and process and get started. I'm going to be adding half a cup of instant ready to use Rava Idli mix in a mixing bowl. This Rava Idli mix, not only you can prepare Rava Idlis, you can prepare different other recipes. I'm going to be adding quarter cup of grated carrots, quarter cup of finely chopped onions, 4 green chilies finely chopped, and 2 sprigs of curry leaves finely chopped. I'll be adding 1 cup of yogurt gradually, and I'll combine all the ingredients. Check for salt and add salt if required. I did add salt. Gradually I'm adding the yogurt and I'm combining this Rava Idli mix. Once this batter is formed, allow it to rest for 5 minutes and then we can start preparing the paddus. I've heated a paddu pan on medium flame. To the paddu pan I've added oil and ghee. You can also use butter. Allow it to reach temperature on medium flame. Gently I'm going to be ladling the batter in the mold, and I'll fry it on low to medium flame. I like this Rava Paddus to be nice and crispy. It should be a deep roast for me. Especially when you're preparing upma and these type of items, that Rava gives a nice crunch. So deep roasting it is very nice and tasty. It adds to that flavor and taste. If you want, you can do that way, or you can just roast it till it's nice and brown and then remove it. But I'm going to deep roast it. So once it's cooked to one side, I'm just going to flip it to the other side and cook it to the other side. Whenever preparing Rava based dishes, if you add ghee, it enhances the flavor and taste. So on medium to low flame only I'm frying all these paddus, but I'm going to deep roast it. So I'm going to flip it to the other side and fry it to the other side as well. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. All recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. It roughly took me about 5 to 10 minutes to fry this paddus, friends. I'm deep roasting it. It's not burnt, so it is very nice and tasty. Once these crunchy paddus have fried, I'm going to serve it right away. I've served it with some coconut chutney. The recipe for coconut chutney also will be posted in the description box below this video. It turned out really good. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Thank you so much for collaborating with us, MTR. I really appreciate it. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.